to this session. Like it is LinkedIn branding. It is wonderful. I was not known everything about LinkedIn previously when before joining to this session, and I didn't know about software development phases like the software engineering, like CRC cards and other development before developing code. It gave me very good insights. LinkedIn branding first, and next point I would like to say that I learned software engineering techniques like requirement analysis to the using test driven development till the entire things. Like it was very wonderful session. Every day was like one or the other way I was learning new things, and daily writing code, it gave me very much confident in myself itself. Previously I was not confident while giving interviews and all. Now it gave me a very good doubtness in myself.
If you want to work with me personally, where I guarantee to work with you until you secure a well paid job, book a one on one call with me. Link is in the description.